Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lawrence County and central Georgia, Emmanuel County and east central Georgia, northern Toombs County and southeastern Georgia, central Telfair County and central Georgia, Trutland County and east central Georgia, Johnson County and east central Georgia, Wheeler County in central Georgia, southeastern Jefferson County and east central Georgia, Montgomery County and central Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Donovan to Lowry to near China Hill, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Swainsboro, McRae, Lyons, Soperton, Alamo, Mount Vernon, Wrightsville, Vidalia, Helena, Wadley, Twin City, Glenwood, Adrian, Stillmore, Oak Park, Ailey, Scotland, Kingston, Garfield, and Santa Claus. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, southeastern, and east central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.